So here's something that I read today. Russia doesn't allow microwaves for cooking in any part of their country. So I looked it up. And sure enough, in 1976, they did research on microwaves and what it does to food. And what they came up with was pretty alarming, because not only does it take the nutrition out of the food by at least 80%, it changes the molecules in the food. So your body doesn't absorb it like it should, like a natural way. So I found that really interesting. Now, I know in this country we could say, well, freedom and all that. But when you really think about mindset and what mindset's all about, if you want to become the best version of yourself, don't you want to put in the best fuel for your body? Because think about it. When you eat something, like I used to think, well, just eating controls your fat. If you want to look sloppy, just keep eating pizzas and pastas and all the food that's not good for you. However, what I've come to realize, all your cells take in the nutrition that you eat. So in other words, your brain is getting fueled by everything that you eat as well. So that's what it has to do with mindset. If you want to become the best version of yourself, shouldn't you be fueling your whole entire body and being with the best possible food that you can afford? Something to think about.